I made a lo-fi beat. What's good, fam? It's Darkest Prod here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show how I made this lo-fi beat. Inside Studio One. Let's get into it. Of course, I started with this drum loop. I played this chord progression using the Addictive Keys Mark 1. Duplicated the chord progression to a pad found in the DX7 by Arturia. Played this bass line with a free bass called the Martini bass. Shout out to Eldre. And added these bells found in Analog Lab 5. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions for any more videos, go ahead and put it down in the comments down below. I answer everybody unless you're spam. Yeah, we're on our way to 1K. Tons of videos planned out. Stick around. I got a lot more coming. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks again. My name's Darkest Prod. Peace out.